These right here will vary in sizes depending upon what kind or what style of bed you have. But for this particular one, this is the pad meant for the front panel. What you're going to do, pull the Velcro off the top. You're going to place it along the bottom of this line right here, all the way across. Now rip your sides off. Come on the inside. Start at the very top and work your way down. Now you're going to take your pad at the very bottom and go straight to this corner. Put it all the way in the corner. And now work it across. Once you have this over, pull it tight all the way down, as tight as you can get it, and figure out where this falls, run it across, put it in. The Velcro on the sides will actually hold it in place so you can figure out where you need to put your line of Velcro. Then you can pull it up, that way you have a little bit of room to work. And that is your final product.